So today we will look at a tool called Geogebra, which is available online to help us solve these coordinate geometry problems. Let me emphasize that you cannot use this tool to get marks. The marks that you can get is only by doing the methods, the calculations, and or using everything you have learned in class. This tool helps you to verify your calculations. So let's look at this question number 14. Straight line L passes through points A and B. So you have to find the gradient of the line L. So first of all, we have to plot these 2 points A and B using this tool. So I will go and click on this. I will go on the point, and then there are two ways to plot this. First of all, I can just point to this 0 and 3. So if this is 0, 1, 2, and 3, I come here and that plots 03.02. That's not really precise. So I have to move it a little bit down, and that's really painful because you have to um, use precise, and you cannot change this value here. So instead, what I do, I delete this and I say my input, and give him the coordinates. Okay. So, and press enter. So it has plotted exactly at 0, 3. And then in order to plot the second point, 312, I give my coordinates here and then just enter. So these two are the points that are plotted. Now to find the gradient of the line, it's very simple. You have to plot the line using these 2 points. So you come here and you say that I want to draw a line. Look at this. It is asking for two inputs, 2 points. So I select this point and I select the second point, and these 2 points, and the line is drawn passing through these 2 points. Now, if you look at this, this shows you the gradient. So if you want to find the gradient of the line L, click on this, and it says the slope. And for the slope, select the line. Just select the line. You can see here m is equal to 3. This is the slope of the line. And here is also m is equal to 3. This is the slope of the line. Then it says equation of the line. So when we done the slope, it also gives us the equation in this. So you can see 3x minus y is equal to minus 3. That gives you the equation of the line. So once you've done this by calculation, then you can verify that your calculation is actually right. Okay. So this is a very useful tool that you can use. Now come to the second point, which is a bit complex. So it says the line x is equal to 3. So first of all, I want to draw a line x is equal to 3. How do I do that? Well, it is very simple. There are different ways to draw a line. So you can draw a line here, and then here I will say x equals 3. So you can see it has drawn the line x is equal to 3. Press enter, and that's done. Now it says that it is the line of symmetry of triangle A, B, and C. So this is my A and B that I have already plotted using the data, the information given. Now I want to plot a line at point C such that this line x is equal to 3 becomes the line of symmetry. Symmetry means symmetry. You have learned symmetry already, so no need to explain it again. So I will just, sorry, excuse me. I will just plot a point C. So I can see that from here, if this is the center of the triangle, so the points on the left should be the distance on the left should be the distance on the right. So there are 3 points to the left, so there should be 3 points to the right. So 1, 2, and 3. So I would go at this plot point and go 1, 2, and 3. So Instead of clicking, it might again give me a trouble. I want to look at the coordinates. So I can clearly see that here, the coordinates of 1 2 3, this point will be something like 6 and 3. So I will give him input 6 3, enter. So this has plotted the point C. So this is this is a triangle whose line of symmetry is x is equal to 3. And I can also try plotting a triangle using these points. Use this. Okay, this is the icon you will be using, and click on this one, and then vertices of the triangle will be A. Click on A, go to B, go to C, and then come back to A. This has drawn a polygon, which is a triangle. So this triangle has the line of symmetry x is equal to 3. Okay, so the coordinates of the point C are very simple. They are given here. Actually, you have inputted yourself. So you can see that now you can verify the the answers of these three questions using GeoGebra, and also everything else from the coordinate geometry can be easily verified using this. So this is a very nice tool that you can use. I hope you can now complete this question. Thank you.